Hello there. I'd like to share a new feature we've brought to Tommy, the ability to load height plus width pricing matrices. Previously, you could only load height by width. Let me show you how the height plus width matrix is laid out. Got one here. You have your height plus your width values down the left here, and then your pricing values in this right column. So for example, this item here is 50 inches by 50 inches with a value of $1,000. Let me show you how to load those to your products. First we come to settings, my products, and now I'm going to select this top item here. First thing we need to do is set item pricing to live. We now have this pricing tab. Click on there and we have a couple of options here. First of all, the pricing method. The first one is complete item. So this means you would load a matrix that includes the frame and the sash. The other option is frame and sash, where we load a matrix for the frame and then a separate matrix for the different sash types. I'll leave it on frame and sash, and then I will make sure the matrix type is set to width plus height. And now we can start loading some matrices. First of all, we have our three different opening types, top, left and right. I'm going to load a matrix for those first. I'm going to select matrix file, and I have one here. Okay, now that we've loaded a matrix to each of the different sash types, we can add a new matrix for the frames. You'll see here we have different frame types as you click along these tabs. For now, I'm just going to focus on the C100, which is just a simple fixed frame. Now I'm going to click select matrix file, and I've got one here. Click on add, and there we go. There's our frame matrix. I'm now just going to click on save and close. Now let's head to a quote and see how this looks. I'm going to add this new item with pricing. I'm just going to start with a simple fixed frame. You should notice that this will be priced. And we've got a message in the top right there that tells us price is being calculated from the matrices. If we come to the bottom left here, click on this $sign, we can see a live price. As we update our sizes, price should also update with that. There we go. If I click on this information tab at the top here, I can see a detailed breakdown of the pricing. Just going to scroll down here and I can see frame matrix 20 plus 20 inches, $400. Now if I just pop to my matrix here we go. This field here is the 20 inches by 20 inches. And we can see there 400. I'm now going to add an opener. Should also see the price update. We've got a matrix loaded for the sash. Here it is. And that's it.